Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Lavinia, and today I'm joined with my boyfriend, Tyler.
Hi.
So, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be trying out something pretty cool today. We're going to be attempting an at-home wax kit. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to be trying out the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. And this is a complete at-home waxing kit. It comes with like the heater and a bunch of different waxes and everything you need. So we're going to be really putting this to the test. I will disclose that this was sent to me, but we're going to be really trying it out today and seeing what we think about it. Now, I've tried like at-home waxing before. You...
Oh yeah, for sure.
Have it.
All the time.
Have you ever had anything waxed?
I had my eyebrows waxed once.
Okay, so we're gonna open this up right here and unbox it first. So here is what it looks like. Patience.
I'm confused.
All right, so we have all the different hard wax beads. So I have a bunch of different. I was just supposed to say flavors. We're not eating these. A bunch of different scents that we're gonna be trying. So there is lavender, eucalyptus. This would be nice. Tea tree, peppermint, and lemon. So that's pretty cool. I like how they're all individually packaged and they're all resealable too, so that is nice. I've never tried this type of wax before, so I'm excited to try that. Then we have an after wax spray. We have different size popsicle sticks to apply the wax. The pre-wax spray, so I'm assuming this is gonna like, yeah, it even says clean and moisturize the skin before. We have the actual wax thing. Let's open it all up and then we can plug it in. Oh, there's a bunch more stuff inside. So there's the two pumps that we're going to use for the sprays. Gloves, very important if especially you're waxing other people. You want to make sure you're sanitary. And so it does come with a full instruction guide, so we're going to definitely have a read of this. Alright, so quick guide. The hair has to be at least 1/4 of an inch long. Okay, so I just backed you guys up so that you can actually see what we're doing. So it says to turn this on.
I think it's on.
Yep.
The red light would tell me it's on.
Okay, so we're gonna go with the lavender today. I feel like that'll be actually nice and relaxing. So these are actually, I'm pretty sure, supposed to be like pretty relaxing waxes. So I think we just pour a good amount.
Oh, that's a lot.
A lot?
I think so.
Well,
I could be wrong. Yeah, we're doing your whole arm.
yeah, we need more, more. When the wax is half melted, take the lid off. So we're going to put the lid on for now to let it heat up faster. Keep away from children. Guess you can't use them.
Oh yeah, I can't. You're like 12.
Okay. Tyler.
Hi, Nick.
Hi, Tyler.
Here's what it looks like. Starting to melt real good. I like the color.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Nice. It's like basically almost done, and it's only been a few minutes, so that's pretty good. Oh yeah, I can kind of smell the lavender. It definitely still has like the wax smell to it. So Tyler's gonna be waxing first. This is nice because usually when you go to the store, you have to buy like everything separately. So having it all just come to your door is pretty nice. Okay, so my arms are ready. I'll show you guys the before. So the hair's pretty long. I've gotten my arms waxed a couple times, but that was a long time ago, so the hair has grown back.
I can't believe you're trusting me to do this.
I'll start with one arm. You can probably start it from further. Yeah, rub it in, I guess. Ooh, this smells really good.
It does smell really good.
It smells like coconut.
Yeah, I just want, like, this is strictly to test if it's too hot.
Yeah, make sure you do this, guys, because you don't want to burn your skin. it's fine.
No? Okay. Well, in that case, we'll actually grab some.
Here, I'm gonna lay my arm down.
You're gonna have to come closer, much closer. You're gonna have to lift your arm.
Oh my god. Oh, it actually feels nice.
I'm not good at this. I don't think we had it enough. Oh my god, Bobby.
Well, I would do like sections.
Yeah. Come on. You gotta bring your... Oh my god, this is...
This is gonna be the patchiest.
I don't think we have enough wax. Good?
Yep. Oh, that wasn't that bad at all.
How'd you do it so nice? Okay, it's a little easier this time too. It's not hardening right away. That looks really good.
Okay, we'll do like a small patch.
See, but you're bringing up your arm. Why weren't you doing that for me?
The wax feels nice and warm, but not like hot, so.
Should I try? Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's
Oh, that worked.
Oh yeah, do I get that little piece?
That really worked.
That wasn't that painful. Like, obviously you feel it pulling your hair off.
See, you got little blonde hairs though.
So it's hard to kind of see it on the...
You won't be able to see it.
Yeah, on the purple, but my arm is completely waxed. Maybe we'll do the full arm and then show you guys my arm side by side.
Do you want me to try or not?
Okay, do the next one.
That's a no.
I take a little bit of a breather before.
Oh, yes. Well, let's get all the way in there. Perfect.
Oh yeah. Yeah, try as touching it on the other one is what makes it bad. You can take more and the top part.
I'm taking off the gloves. I'm retiring.
No.
Retired.
All right, big section there. Ooh.
So satisfying.
Dries so fast, which is nice. And I like that this wax doesn't require paper, because those get so messy.
There you go. Just nothing, hey?
All right, so here is the arm we waxed. A little red and sensitive, but not too bad actually. Usually my skin gets even more red. And then here is the unwaxed arm. So you can definitely see the difference there. Ooh.
That smells really good.
Oh yeah, that coconut smell again. So this is definitely a lot more oily, but it's definitely to moisturize the skin and kind of heal it after the waxing is done. All right, so we're going to be tackling Tyler's eyebrows today. All right, here is a close-up. Tyler has been graciously growing it out, growing out the unibrow for this video, so we're going to do some nice cleaning today. So we're going to be using the smaller popsicle sticks for this, and obviously, like, if you run out of popsicle sticks, you can just get more.
The dollar store.
Anywhere. Oh, I have to clean the area. Pre-wax treatment. I'm going to spray it onto my hand because I'm obviously not going to spray this onto his eyes. Just get the area. Okay. Should I apply some here?
If you want.
Do you want to do that part?
Sure. If you think it needs to be done.
I think it needs to be done.
Oh.
Oh shit.
You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. Go for it. Just go for it.
Holy crap! Did that hurt? Oh my god. I have to show you guys this. Can you see that? Like,
That's a lot.
okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god. Why do I
We're
have
gonna have
more
to keep
hair
these-
way up here than you do on your entire arm?
Do you want me to do this side now?
I guess.
I guess. I'm gonna apply a bit of the after wax treatment, the nice smelling stuff. Soothe the skin all around. Alright guys, so here is an after. So the skin is a bit red, but as you can see, all the hair in the center and on top and stuff is gone. So that's really good. Here was the first wax strip. As you can see, a lot of hair on there. And here's one of the ones off the side. Obviously there's less hair there, but you can still see a lot of it right there. You can definitely see there too. Alright guys, so that's really where we're gonna finish this off. I thought this kit was awesome actually. What did you think?
Yeah.
Really good.
Really, really good.
Yeah, and you like don't like plucking eyebrows and stuff, so
I hate plucking my eyebrows.
this was a better option.
Much, much.
And I really enjoyed it too. I've gotten my arms waxed a couple times, and I would say it's relatively painful, but this wasn't as bad. Obviously, it's still gonna feel like waxing, but it definitely is a way better experience. I like that you get a full kit and everything you need. It's perfect for at-home waxing. And Tress Wellness actually did give me a discount code for you guys to use if you're interested in purchasing this kit. So I'll have the discount code on the screen here and also down below in the description with the link. If you're at all interested in this kit and checking it out, you can save some money that way. But that's it for this video. If you want to see Tyler in more videos, give this video a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second